What is it? Kak, kak, kak. What is kak? Dog. Cat. Not cock. Cat. Apple. Apple. Dog. Cat. Hindi kak. Kak. What is kak? Cat? Cat? Cat. Oh. Yung cat punya is kak. Cat. Cat. Dog. Apple. Cat. Cat. Say cat. I love you. Happy Friday po sa lahat, mga titos and titas. Nagtatry po siyang magsalita ng cat. Sabi niya is kak. 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 I love you, mahal. I love you, mahal ko. I love you, my baby love love. Oh, go na there. Oh, and play with your toys. Huh? Where is your toys? What do you want to say to titas? Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. I'm eating sapin-sapin. And si Jeyo is nag-i-eat ng cheese. Kinuha niya yung cheese. Nandiyan. Gustong-gusto niya talagang kumain. O, kakaligo lang niya. Hindi pa siya nakasuklay. Oh, come here. Eat another cheese. Pabalik-balik yan. Papasubo. Not yet fixing your hair, mahal? Huh? Hurra na naman. Hurra. Hurra. Oh, hurra daw. Oh, you want to watch hurra? Abo. Hurra. It's just finished. The hurra is just finished. Later naman ang hurra, ha? Takaw talaga, oh. Kumain pa ng snack niya yan. Hindi pa na-satisfied. You're done, ha? You finished na, ha? What else do you want to eat? Do you want some apple? Gusto pa. How about this? Do you want this? Your snack? Huh? You want your snack? You wanna get your snack? Get one. Kain pa yan. May dalawa kinuha mo. One lang, one. Only one. Later na yung isa. Takaw talaga, oh. Nagpapataba ka, my love. Wala kang socks. Let's comb your hair first. Wow, ang galing-galing talagang kumain ng my love ko. It's yummy. Yummy daw. Pag sinabi niya na ganun, nasasarapan siya. Siya na-satisfied sa kinain niya. Humingi pa ng ng avocado, oh. Nasa lalagyan, kinukuha niya talaga. Kakagising lang ng baby love namin, oh. What did you say, mahal? Look at your stomach, oh. Ang laki-laki mo na, baby love. Oh, haba-haba muna. Para ka ng 2 years old. You look like 2 years old. Your height is 2 years old. You're ano na. You're so big na, anak. You're so tall na. Oh, look at your feet. Oh, you're so big na. Say something. Hello, titas. I am big boy na. I am eating na po ng madami pong food. I am eating food po. Tapos, I am sleeping. Yeah? Huh? Adi? What is adi? What are you saying? Huh? Hora? How about apple? Apple. Bird. A bird. Bird. Say bird. Cat. Say cat. Cat. Boom boom. Ito yan mo. Wah. Wah. Hurrah. 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 You're singing hurrah hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. Hurrah. Hurrah. Say hurrah. How about boom boom boom? Boom. Boom boom. 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 Boom boom boom. Hey. Boom boom boom. Say boom boom. Okay. Ala. Smile naman, oh. Ganda naman ang gising mo, ha? Ade. No, it's called anak. Jiyo, you have a present from Appa's workmate. Yung Korean na laging nagbibigay ng gift sa'yo, anak. Ayan na naman. Oh, buksan mo na. Dali, open. Open. Get it. Wow, thank you po. Thank you, Lord. Pagpalain po ng Panginoon ang nagbigay niyan lagi kay Jeyo. Open. Wow, ito na naman. Meron na naman siyang, ay, ang ganda. Lagi siyang laging damit yung binibigay sa kanya. Aesthetic palagi. Ang galing ng na yun. Alam na pati yung sukat ni Jeyo, oh. Cotton house. Size mo. Ang ganda, honey. Ang pogi mo na naman dito, oh. Aesthetic ka na naman, anak. Ay, tinapa. Wow. Uy, naka-pants ang Jeyo namin, na. Laki ng pants. Korean style. Yung pants niya, Korean style. Malapit na sa pang spring na to. Kasi wala siyang walang kimo. Ang ganda ng pants. Lagi yung siya yung nagbibigay ng nakaraan ng mga brown. Pag summer, binibigyan din siya. Uy, yung ganda, Korean style. Ang pogi naman ng Jeyo dyan. Thank you po. Thank you po. Walang kamuwang-muwang. Thank you. Hindi naman ang baby namin. So, pogi naman talaga yan. So big na, oh. Oh, maghihikab pa. Wala pa si Appa. He's with his co-worker. They have dinner because of Chinese New Year. They're waiting for Papa. Good siya. Pogi naman yung baby love na yan. Oh, very big na. Wawa naman ang dog. Binabagsak na yung baby love ang dog. Wawa naman ng doggy. Love doggy. Love lang ang doggy, ha? Oh, don't break the doggy. Look at the doggy. The doggy's crying. Where's the doggy? Bye-bye mga titas. Good evening. Good night. Happy Friday po, everyone.